Let us discuss this presentation about Strasson's matrix multiplication, which is an important algorithm based on the divide and conquer technique. Introduction. Strasson's matrix multiplication is a divide and conquer algorithm used to multiply matrices efficiently. The usual matrix multiplication method multiplies each row with each column to achieve the product matrix. This approach takes big O of n cube, since it takes two loops to multiply. To reduce this computation time from big O of n cube to big O of n power 2.81, Strasson introduced a faster algorithm. Traditional matrix multiplication. In conventional matrix multiplication, the product matrix C is obtained by multiplying matrix A with matrix B. For matrix multiplication to be valid, the number of columns in matrix A must be equal to the number of rows in matrix B. Each element in the result matrix follows the rule: row of A multiplied with column of B. For example, when multiplying 2 by 2 matrices, we compute the elements C11, C12, C21, and C22 using direct multiplication and addition of corresponding elements. This process requires 8 multiplication operations and 4 addition operations for a 2 by 2 matrix. Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. Using Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm, the time consumption improved a little bit. Strasson's method can be applied only to square matrices, where the order of the matrix is n by n, and n must be a power of 2, such as 2, 4, 8, or 16. The key observation made by Strasson was that multiplication operations are computationally more expensive than addition and subtraction operations. Therefore, by reducing the number of multiplications and increasing the number of additions and subtractions, the total computation time can be reduced. This optimization makes Strasson's algorithm an important example of how algorithmic design techniques like divide and conquer can significantly improve efficiency. Core concept behind Strasson's matrix multiplication algorithm. Divide and conquer approach. In this method, large matrices A and B of size n by n are divided into 4 smaller submatrices of size n by 2 by n by 2. The next important idea is reducing the number of multiplications. In the standard divide and conquer method, multiplying these submatrices requires 8 multiplication operations. However, Strasson showed that the same result can be obtained using only 7 multiplications by forming specific linear combinations of the submatrices using addition and subtraction. Finally, in the combine step, the results of these 7 multiplications are carefully added and subtracted to construct the final result matrix C. By repeatedly applying these steps recursively, Strasson's algorithm achieves better performance for large matrix sizes. Applicability to 8 by 8 matrix. Strasson's algorithm works only when the matrix size is a power of 2. This means the number of rows and columns should be like 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Since 8 is equal to 2 power 3, an 8 by 8 matrix is perfectly suitable for applying Strasson's algorithm. Let A and B be two 8 by 8 matrices. Our goal is to compute their product, C equal to A into B. To apply Strasson's algorithm, we divide each 8 by 8 matrix into smaller submatrices. Specifically, each 8 by 8 matrix is divided into 4 4 by 4 submatrices. So matrix A is divided as A11, A12, A21, A22, where each Aij is a 4 times 4 matrix. Similarly, matrix B is divided into B11, B12, B21, B22, where each Bij is a 4 times 4 matrix. Now let us consider matrix A of size 8 by 8. We represent matrix A by dividing it into 4 equal submatrices A11, A12, A21, A22. Here, each of these blocks is a 4 by 4 matrix. Now, the top left block A11 is again divided into 4 equal submatrices of size 2 by 2. Likewise, the remaining 3 will also get divided. Similarly, the same process will be done for matrix B. After dividing matrices A and B into 4 by 4 submatrices, Strasson's algorithm does not compute 8 multiplications like the normal method. Instead, it defines only 7 intermediate products, named M1 to M7, which are as given. After computing the 7 intermediate products, M1 to M7, we now combine them using the below operations to form the final result matrix C. Now observe the recursive nature of Strasson's algorithm. The multiplication proceeds as 8 by 8 reduces to 4 by 4. 4 by 4 reduces to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 reduces to 1 by 1. At the base level, normal matrix multiplication is used. This recursive reduction, along with fewer multiplications at each level, makes Strasson's algorithm faster than the conventional method. Now let us analyze the time complexity of Strasson's algorithm using the substitution method. From Strasson's algorithm, we observe 2 important points. First, at each step, the algorithm performs 7 recursive matrix multiplications, each of size n by 2. Second, the additions and subtractions of matrices take order of n square time. So, the recurrence relation is written as T of n equal to 7 into T of n by 2 plus C into n square, where C is a constant. Now we assume a solution for this recurrence. T of n is less than or equal to k into n power log 7 base 2, where k is a positive constant. Next, we substitute this assumed solution into the recurrence relation. So we get T of n is less than or equal to 7 times k into n by 2 power log 7 base 2 plus c n square. Now we simplify the term with the exponent. N by 2 power log 7 base 2 can be written as n power log 7 base 2 by 2 power log 7 base 2. Since 2 power log 7 base 2 equals 7, this becomes n power log 7 base 2 divided by 7. Multiplying by 7 cancels the denominator, leaving kn power log 7 base 2 plus cn square. Since n power log base 2 of 7 grows faster than n square, the n square term can be ignored for large n. Hence, by ignoring constants, the time complexity of Strasson's algorithm is big O of n power log 7 base 2, which is equal to big O of n power 2.81. To summarize, Strasson's matrix multiplication is an efficient divide and conquer algorithm used to multiply two square matrices faster than the standard method. In the standard matrix multiplication, multiplying two 2 by 2 matrices requires 8 multiplications. Strasson's algorithm reduces this number to 7 multiplications by cleverly combining additions and subtractions. This reduction in the number of multiplications significantly improves performance, especially for large matrices. Hence, Strasson's algorithm is more efficient than the conventional matrix multiplication for large-scale computations. Thank you.